I've created thousands of videos at this point. And from those videos, I've made thousands of dollars. Now, here's what I really will never understand. The amount of opportunity that is in the world right now, and how so few people will take the initiative to just start creating content on social media. The reason that baffles me and confuses me is because I'd say 99% of people are on their phones like so much every single day. Yet they won't take the time that they spend on their phone to put in some energy into something that will fucking change their life. I don't get it. I could probably do a Google search, which I didn't. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and do a Google search. Okay, so this one says the average human, average adult, spends 3 hours 15 minutes on their phone, but smartphone users, 1 in 5, spend 4.5 hours on average on their phones every single day. Another study shows that the average adult, average American, spends 7 hours 4 minutes on their phone every day. I just did a quick Google search, and that just further proves my point here, is like why folks won't take a little bit of that time. So if it's 3 to 7 hours a day, suppose you took 1 to 2 hours a day to learn a new skill, a skill that will increase your income, a skill that you can have fun providing and getting paid really, really well. All right. So being that I've been in the entrepreneur game for fucking years at this point, while beforehand I worked in the factory. All right. Steel toes, 12-hour shifts, the whole nine, like grinding 60 to 90 hours a week. And here's something that I have figured out. When you work for someone else, your pay is capped, meaning you could work 24 hours like in the day. Like you could work the entire 24 hours in a day and only earn that amount for what you make by the hour. You can't get ahead that way. Versus once I started playing in the entrepreneurship game, I quickly realized that your earning potential is limitless. Like your pay is not capped. Now, the data that I have for that, I could, just to give you some quick numbers, I've made $1,000 in a day. I don't know how many fucking times. And then we've also had multiple days where we've done anywhere from $9,000 to $12,000 in a day cash collect. To the average person hearing what I just said, they're like, what the fuck? That's bullshit. That's just because of how you've been raised. And you've only been taught to think one way. I don't even have enough time to go into this, but if you look at it, this is how CEOs of big companies, make their money. It's all leveraged. But you can do this as a regular person. You can leverage your time and your energy to remove the pay cap. I don't know, follow me or something.